Are you going to feel that bitter cold start to the morning by tomorrow as we dip back into the upper single digits in the morning? Temperatures likely to match that again into Wednesday morning. So bundle up as we head into the end of January, early February. We've got some very cold morning lows ahead. Already starting to feel it, dropping back into the low to mid 20s, and Hillsdale leading the way down at 17 degrees. 26 in Findlay over toward Tiffin. You are also at 26 and some upper 20s from Marblehead down through Sandusky. So we're going to take you through the first part of this, the hour by hour temperature forecast, and it gets cold tonight. One of those nights, maybe you snuggle up with an extra blanket. That heater kicks on an extra time or two. Upper single digits will be expected for most areas, especially along and north of the Maumee River. Could stay in the lower teens if you're down toward Bowling Green, Findlay, over toward Tiffin, and into Fremont. It's going to be a cold day tomorrow afternoon, even with a decent amount of sunshine. Have the sunglasses in hand, but only near 20 degrees for the afternoon high. We'll repeat that cold start to the morning Wednesday morning. Upper single digits to lower teens will be expected for those overnight lows, and upper 20s for highs into Wednesday afternoon. We do have clearing skies that are going to take place mainly just before and after midnight. That clearing going to take place north and west of us where some really cold air is. We're looking up toward Traverse City, 11 degrees. Minneapolis at 0. International Falls has already slipped a few degrees below 0. This is an area that's got really thick snowpack on the ground. In fact, 2 feet or more of snow across much of the state of Minnesota, northern parts of Wisconsin, and that is where our air is going to be coming from. Some of that ice cold air that's going to be pouring out of the northern plains. Now we will get some sun to go with that. There's the clearing skies that will take place after midnight. That's also why we get so cold tonight. Some sun returns tomorrow morning, so it will be a brighter start to the day. A few clouds that will filter in through the afternoon. Our high only near 20 degrees. We'll keep that chill in the air. Some more afternoon sun that will be possible. Then another frigid morning as we go into Wednesday morning. So your plan for Tuesday, start the day tomorrow in the single digits. We'll get some sun in the morning through mid-afternoon. A few clouds that will develop right around 20 degrees for the afternoon high. And our extended 10-day forecast has upper 20s that return to Wednesday. That is going to be your first day of February. Thursday in the lower 30s. Another shot of colder air into Friday drops us back to 20 degrees. And it will be a frigid start to the weekend Saturday morning. Single-digit lows could get close to 0 in a few spots. We'll get brushed with a light rain-snow mix on Sunday. That is not a significant storm. Then early next week, we do go rising into the mid to upper 30s and even a day or two in the 40s. A little bit of a February thaw that will take us into early next week. That is at or above average, giving us thoughts, perhaps at this point, when spring arrives. 49 days away is when we officially see the arrival of spring.
Ending on some positivity.
Along with that daylight that you're noticing later and later into the evening. If it's that evening drive, you're used to kind of driving home in the dark. You still get daylight now till after 6 o'clock. So it's turning the corner, so to speak, toward brighter days ahead.
All right, thanks, Chris.